30. Praying mantises rarely stalk prey, though stalking is included in their hunting rituals. A praying mantis is more likely to stay still and wait. Usually, a mantis would only follow prey if they were especially hungry. The world of insects always has something interesting to discover, even though most people would stay away from them. Understanding their behavior can help us realize that they're just doing their own thing and trying their best to survive. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more facts videos.